Okay, this is day 1 of the second distance learning packet for 8th grade and the math section. So technically, it would be day 11, or the packet that started after spring break. So this is, again, day 1 of the second packet. Okay, so this packet set up a little bit differently, a little bit less content, which is nice because it's a little bit easier to get done in a day. And there's a procedural practice and a fluency practice. This is the same as we saw before. And for day 1, that's it. So there's no task like there was before. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is solving two-step equations. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because, again, we did this in class. We did a lot of this. We're just solving for the variable, one variable, no distributive property, just a addition or subtraction followed by a division. So let's just choose one, maybe number 2. All right, so the first step, so we're solving for a. So the first step is to eliminate the numbers on the same side as a. So we're going to add 8 to both sides. So that would make this 0. And then we're left with 9a equals 81. We're just adding 73 and 8. Okay, and then we divide. So we want 1a. We don't want 9a. So to make it a 1, we need to divide both sides by 9. So that makes it a 1. So 1a equals, so I'm going to write over here, so a equals 81 divided by 9 is 9. All right, let's try another one. Something that looks a little bit different, maybe number 5. So we have the variable on the other side. We have a plus. Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay, so the variable is x, and it's on the right. So let's eliminate the other numbers around it. So let's start off with a 2. So it's a positive 2, so we're going to subtract 2 on both sides. 2 minus 2, that's 0, so that goes away. That becomes 0. And then we're left with 6 on the left, and then 3x on the right. Then our final step is divide both sides by 3. That becomes a 1. So then our final answer is 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So 2 equals x. And you can leave it like that. You can turn it around and say x equals 2. It doesn't matter, whatever you like. And that's it. Just two-step equations. Okay, so the second part, I will help you to solve it. And then for this one, you need to graph it. So it's just a number line. You're going to build your number line. You're going to put a dot on the number that we get for our answer. Okay? All right, so just rewriting 3 times 2x minus 8 equals 12. Okay, multiply using distributive property. 3 times 2x is 6x. And then again, 3 times negative 8, so it has to be the number and the sign. So 3 times negative 8 is negative 24, which becomes minus 24. That equals 12. Okay, so now we have a two-step equation, just like on the previous page. And we add 24 to both sides to make that become 0. And that leaves us with 6x on the left, and then 36 on the right. Divide by 6. We get x equals 6. Again, number line. You could put a 0 in the middle if you want to do that. You could put a 0 over here, and then just add your numbers. And then just put a point. Okay, x equals 6. There it is. That's x. Okay? And that's it for day 1.